Hey, hey, hey. I wanted to come on here because I believe we have this subconscious mindset about weight loss. And I don't think it's anything that we are doing intentionally in our weight loss journeys. And I say we because I would do this in the past as well. But it's something that I've noticed that people will do quite often. And so I wanted to address it just to bring it to the forefront of your mind so that you can stop doing this and start losing weight the way that you want to. And so if you don't know me, my name's Malaika Burley. I am a weight loss mindset coach and mentor, and I am also on a personal weight loss journey. At this point, I have lost over 80 pounds, and I help women who have over 50 pounds to lose, and I help you to lose the weight you gain and gain the you that you lost. And I do that primarily on YouTube. I have a podcast, the Overweighted Podcast, and then also I do one-on-one and group coaching as well. But I wanted to come on and share this because I think it's something, like I said, kind of subconsciously we don't realize that we're doing. And I want to bring it to your awareness so that you can change it. Because when you aren't aware of something, it's hard to change it. But once you realize it's there, then you can. And so what that thing is that you cannot drift into weight loss. You cannot drift into weight loss or health. And so what I mean by that, if you think about being in a pool or being at the beach, and if you are on a raft and you are floating, let's say that you have a goal to get like to this certain buoy, right? Out if you're on the beach, and you are on a raft and you are just floating. Chances are you are not going to get to that buoy because you are just allowing the waves to take you wherever they want to take you. You're just drifting. And so the only way you're going to get to that buoy is by being really intentional about doing the strokes to get you over to that buoy. And that's kind of that's the thing with weight loss. And I will say anything good that you want requires you being intentional. You cannot drift to anything good. What happens if you're drifting is you're drifting to actually the things you don't want or the bad things, right? So think about this for an example. If you want to have good grades, you cannot drift towards good grades. You drift towards bad grades, right? You have to do the things that it takes for you to do to get good grades. If you want a good marriage, you cannot drift into just having a good marriage just by happen chance, right? You have to be intentional about having a good marriage, because if you drift to a bad marriage. If you want weight loss or health, you can't just drift towards weight loss and health. You have to be intentional about getting it, but you certainly can drift into disease, right? You certainly can drift into sickness and being unhealthy. But anything good requires you being intentional about getting that thing. And I just wanted to bring that up because I know what can happen a lot of times, especially when for the women that I serve and that have a lot of weight to lose, and we've been struggling to lose weight for years and trying all these things, is that what can happen is you get into this cycle. You're losing weight, gaining, and you get to a point where all you're doing is like professing and saying that you want to lose weight, but you're never actually doing any of the things that it takes to actually lose it. Right. And I don't care if that means you're doing really small things to be intentional about losing the weight, but you're doing something. You need to be doing something to move forward. And I think we get stuck into always saying that we want to lose weight, but we don't do the things that it takes to actually lose it. And we say it because it sounds good, because we know people realize we need to lose weight, or we think we need to lose weight. And so we're always saying, oh, I need to lose weight. But yet we're never doing anything to actually lose it. And so, like I said, I just wanted to kind of bring that to the forefront of your awareness, if that happens to be you, because I know what that's like, being stuck in that, always saying, I want to lose weight, I need to lose weight, I should, but never doing anything about it. and kind of just hoping and praying that it'll happen, but not being intentional about taking any of the steps to make it happen. And so again, we can't drift into weight loss. You can certainly drift into disease and sickness and being unhealthy. You can drift into gaining weight, which is what would happen to me previously, year after year. But you can't drift into weight loss, and you can't drift into health. And you don't have to be 100% consistent to get there. You don't have to do everything perfectly to get there, but you just have to be intentional about continuing to do something to move you in that direction. All right, so I just wanted to come on and say that today, and hope I didn't step on too many toes too hard, but I wanted to step on them a little bit because we need to get moving and we need to get forward. We need to get healthy to do the things that the Lord is calling us to do in this time. So we got to wake up and we got to start moving forward. All right. And if you need help with being more intentional, maybe having some accountability, or you need a plan, and you're ready to do some of the hard work and also the hard work that it's going to take for you to lose the weight and actually keep it off, then shoot me a DM and we can talk and see if if we should partner together on your weight loss journey and if I'm the right coach for you. All right. I will see you later, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.